Doogee has released the Doogee S86 Pro. It is the upgraded version of the Doogee S86. Doogee has upgraded some features of the Pro version to make it more better than the normal Doogee S86 Pro. Anyways, I'll be making a features comparison video between the Doogee S86 Pro and the S86 in a separate video. For now, let's just dive into the features of the newly released Doogee S86 Pro. First, the design. The phone is said to be made of industrial rubber with seismic safety protection. Moving on to display, the phone has a 6.1-inch HD+ display with Gorilla Glass protection. The phone has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And as you can see, the RAM has been upgraded from 6GB on the normal variant to 8GB on the Pro variant. The phone has the Android 10 OS, stock Android 10. The phone has the Helio P60 SoC. Moving on to camera, the phone has a 60MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP camera. It also has a thermometer at the back. Moving on to battery, the device has 8500 mAh battery with 24 watts fast charger, which is actually quite nice because 8500 mAh battery is really large. So of course you would definitely need a faster charger, a very fast charger, to be able to charge this device appropriately. Anyways, the phone supports NFC alongside Google Pay. The device is available in 3 different colors: fire orange, flame red, and mineral black. Anyways, those are some of the key features of the Doogee S86 Pro. And like I said, I'll be making a specs comparison video between the S86 Pro and the S86, so make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Anyways, I think the device actually sold at around $200 or so. It might be available on AliExpress currently. You can check it out if you want. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.